We'll continue our discussion on the joy of X by Steven Strogatz, a guided tour of mathematics from 1 to infinity. Today we'll discuss about finding your words. Actually, here we'll discuss about complex numbers. So the basic point is, one context is one of the earliest perplexed citizen of Dallas around 14 desperate to starve of a plague. They consulted the oracle of the Delphi, who advised them to double the volume of their cube-shaped altar to Apollo. Unfortunately, it turned out that doubling the cube's volume required them to construct a cube root of 2, a task that is now known impossible, given their restriction to use nothing but a straight edge and compass only. So basically, a geometrical problem of doubling the cube. It led to discussion about square roots, cube roots. But later the interesting point is the idea of square root of square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 4 can be minus 2 also. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So basically positive number into positive number is positive. So we are looking for a number whose square is negative. Negative times negative is again positive. There seems to be no hope of finding numbers that when multiplied themselves would give negative answers. Okay. Now they pushed this, let this number be I. So I square equal to minus 1. They gave a symbol and started to you play with it, develop rules with it. So this occurred like this. They occur whenever existing operation is true forward, it determines where it no longer seems sensible. Just as subtracting bigger number from small number gives a negative number, division spanned fraction and decimal, the freewheeling use of square root eventually forced the universe of numbers to expand again. This number is imaginary number. I is called imaginary number. And when the real number is imaginary number are connected like this, that is 2 plus 3y. Okay, this is called complex number. Complex number are magnificent number system. But the main interesting, a great statement called the fundamental theorem of algebra says that the roots of any polynomial are always complex numbers. So this is like a end of the development. In that sense, they are the end of the quest. The universal number need never expand again. Complex numbers are the culmination of the journey that began with 1. So this is